Good morning from sunny Florida. It is day... What day is it? Saturday? It's Saturday. The 25th. Ooh, the sun is just in my face there. It is Saturday the 25th and we are here since the 20th. And we just got married and we've decided to finally pick up the camera and take you along for the rest of our journey. So I am here ready now to go. This is my look I'm going for today. I got this in Pennies. We are having a day off of parks today. Chris is doing work there and yeah, we're taking a break. It's been full on. Yeah, we've been in the parks so much. We've been hosting our families, so we haven't really had the chance to lift the camera up and kind of vlog everything because we're too busy, I don't know, just being with our families and being quite present. But I think today should be fine. So let me just show you the villa. Excuse the mess. It is, we've obviously been here a few nights. This is our room, which looks out onto the... It's messy, but it's fine. It's been lived in. Out into the pool. There's another room in there. My mom's room is in there. She got a lovely room. There's my dad. Hey, Dennis. Yeah. My dad, my brother, Harry, my nephew. This is the living area. You can watch TV. This is the big kitchen. This is the table, which is nice and long. My wedding dress is in there somewhere. Absolutely filthy. My bell. These are the flowers that were at the wedding. We brought them back so that I could enjoy them a little bit longer. And that's my bouquet. I absolutely love my bouquet. Yeah, so it's really nice and clean. That's Chris's mom in the kitchen, Chris's dad, Tata, Mama. And let me show you too the games room where Harry has just ran. Oh, Harry, you're going to show us the games room. This is like in the garage of the house. The garage, as the Americans say. Can you give us a tour of the games room, Harry? Arcade machine, okay. Yeah, which is... We have 3 TVs and 2 PlayStations. And do they work? Yeah. More games, Roblox, Fortnite, everything you could ask for a kid who was 9. I would not be good at this. Chris and his brother were playing this at some point and they were really good. So you would not catch me playing ping pong. No. Okay. Let me actually take you to the outside of the house, which is the best part. Better than the bedrooms. Like, the bedrooms are fine, 8 bedrooms. I actually don't think me and Chris got the nicest bedroom, to be honest, but it's okay. Once everybody's comfortable, you know. So this door out here is alarmed. This is one thing that I'm kind of like, oh, damn. It's really inconvenient. We took a while to learn this. So you need to press this button, okay? And then I have to run out. Press. Now fast. Quick, Harry, quick. Close it. Because the alarm sounds, we have like 30 seconds to do that. Or the alarm sounds in the entire house and it's like really loud. We've obviously set it off a few times. Okay, so this is our little seated area. Plenty of seating tables for everybody to enjoy. Then out here to the main pool. This is Harry's sanctuary, isn't it? Yeah. Absolutely divine. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Like, look at that pool. Harry has done a few cannonballs into this pool, haven't you? You can't do any now. No cannonballs now. Oh, and the sun is just out. So there are many houses around us. It's all quite open. So everybody could see into here. We can kind of see into a few back gardens, but it's fine. This is Encore at Reunion Resort. There is a bunny rabbit right in front of me. Oh my God, look at him. You see him? Perfect timing. Oh, hang on. There's two. Oh, there is two. Oh my God. They look like a hare more. They're less fluffy than the ones we have back in our front garden, actually. Hello. Oh. Yeah, so there's lovely seats out here. You can lounge on the loungers here. We haven't really done this yet because we've just been, you know, since day one, we've been go, go, go. The first day we arrived, obviously we got settled in. We went to Target. Let me just turn in this direction so I can see. We went to Target and we picked up some groceries. Then the next morning we went to Hollywood Studios and we parked in Hollywood Studios. And we went to Epcot on the Skyliner just to show everybody the Skyliner. So yeah, we went to Hollywood Studios the first day. We jumped on the Skyliner to Epcot. We done Spaceship Earth, which is a big ball. We just wanted everybody to experience the Skyliner, didn't we? We were like, it's one of the forms of transport that's just really cool. So we parked up in Hollywood Studios, done that, came back, finished the rest of the day in Hollywood Studios, went to see the Fantasmic show. We actually brought everybody for a buffet meal in Hollywood and Vine. And that's like character dining buffet, all you can eat, and they loved that. They got to see some of the characters coming around, and that was a great day. And then we finished it for evening show that night for Fantasmic, which was amazing. Absolutely everybody is just blown away from day one. They were like, it exceeds our expectations.
Nothing compared to Ireland anyway. It's a long day with them, but it's fantastic. It's out of this world.
So yeah, we were in Hollywood Studios the first day. Second day we went to Universal Studios, and then third day it was the wedding. Third day was the Thursday. So we got married. Me and Chris got married on Thursday, and then we ended up in Magic Kingdom for the evening. We actually brought everybody to Longhorn Steakhouse, which is somewhere that we just love to go. Like, you know, Longhorn Steakhouse, we love it. We go every year, and we just think it's, for what you're paying for and what you're getting, is so worth it. You're getting lovely big portions. You're getting decent steak dinner, and everybody's fed nicely, and we just think it's worth it. So we brought everybody. They all loved it. They all had big dinners. They give you, you know, free bread at the table, starters we got. So people were just absolutely full, and they were getting cocktails and all. The staff actually in Longhorn Steakhouse really nicely kept coming over to check on us, and they brought us over free desserts at the end. They just said congratulations to us, and that they wanted to give us desserts on house. We obviously were so full at that point that we weren't going to order any desserts, but you know, the fact that they offered it as a gesture was really, really, really nice. And yeah, that was so nice of them. So couldn't recommend that place, honestly. It's just really nice for a nice sit down meal. And we ended up in Magic Kingdom for fireworks, and you know, everybody was absolutely wall falling at this point of the day, but it was fine. We finished it with we got everybody on Pirates of the Caribbean, which was a cool ride to get on. And then yesterday we were in Volcano Bay. It was really sunny yesterday. It was kind of like today. There wasn't a cloud in the sky, and yeah, we just lay around. Everybody needed a day off. And we're married.
We're married, yeah.
We're married. No cut yet because we're married. We just want to remind everybody we're husband and wife. We did it. Show the rings. No, we did it. We got married in Orlando. Dream come true. Okay, let's go along now. Bye.